Okay. So what happened? In the last class, we discussed about something discount schedule, right? A range, slab, and some pricing method, right? Contract price, cost markup, percent of total, all these things. So today we'll discuss something like a different new topic. Example MDQ. Anyone knows what is the MDQ means? Idea on that? Anyone knows what is MDQ? So multi-dimensional codes. So what is the meaning of multi-dimensional code? Okay. So for example, you can take some antivirus. Okay. So or otherwise you can take some internet service, broadband service, whatever it may be. Okay. Example, you can take Hathway internet service. So Hathway internet is like which one, sir? It is a standalone or subscription. Which one? Which product this is? Internet service means
Subscription.
subscription. Yeah, it is nothing but a subscription products. Okay. So normally multi-dimensional code products also be nothing but we can use only for this service-based products. Okay. Sometimes what will happen? For example, customer wants to buy internet service quarterly. Okay. So what will happen? Customer is looking for 4 quarters. I mean per year. So he wants service. Okay. So quarter wise. So first quarter, second quarter, okay, third quarter, and fourth quarter. So like that, customer wants service, sir. Okay, fourth quarter. So how we can create a one code, okay, like this 4 line items, only one product. That is nothing but the Athway internet service only. But I want to create a 4 core products. One is from example January to March, April to June, like July to September, then October to December. So like that, I want to create a dimension per quarter wise or month wise or year wise, whatever it may be. So to do this type of functionality, we can use a multi-dimensional code services in the Salesforce CPQ. Okay. And one more thing. So if you want to buy any service like internet service or anything, along with this, you have to pay separate charges for first time, right? Something called installation fee, right? So this is extra. This is only one time amount you want to pay, but remaining things it is like a quarterly you can pay and you can use the service. Yes or no? And like I said, if you want to buy internet, what will happen? So first time only you have to pay installment amount. So next time onwards you have to pay quarter wise amount. Clear? Understand, sir? అర్థమవుతుందా what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Uh, to do this type of configurations in Salesforce, okay. So first we have to configure product like this, okay, monthly wise or quarterly wise or all those things. How we can configure? We'll see. For example, we'll take any one subscription product, sir. I'll take example cloud storage or something called any internet services is there. No, okay, then no problem. We'll take we don't have some. We'll take our cloud storage example. Okay, this is just like a subscription product, right, sir? So we have configured this is subscription product. So it is a fixed price. So means whatever the price we are giving, in the price book, that price will come here. Okay. So subscription term is a month, 1 month, like this I'm giving. Okay. That's right. So how we can configure this part now for multi-dimensional code purpose? The customer want like a quotation, quarter-wise quotation he wants. So how we can do that? So to do that, we can go to the related list. So you can see there is something called price dimension. So this is important object. So we have to use in the multi-dimensional code. Okay. So click on new button. So for example, customer wants service like quarterly. Okay, quarterly services. So here you can choose type. You want like a dimension, like how you want dimension, year wise, quarter wise, month wise, or custom, or one time. So you can choose any one. No, first four you can choose any one. For example, I'll go with the quarter wise now. Okay. So remaining things are not required, just this price book and all we can choose directly from the opportunity. So now I'm just creating one price dimension based on the quarterly. That's it. Click a save. I create one more dimension that is only one time, right? Customer wants to buy only installation fee, example. Okay, this is one time only. So like this, you have to create a two dimensions. So for installation fees, how much you want to charge, that is you can give. For example, I want to charge $10. Click save. Okay. So we have to do this like this two dimensions. One is one time dimension. It will be like a one time charge only. But next one is you can do anything. So either you can go with a monthly, quarterly, yearly, whatever it may be, we can do. So like this, we can create only two dimensions for subscription product. Okay. So now if you go to the cart, so I will show you how it will visible now. Go to the cart. So edit lines. So go to add products. So add a cloud storage. Hit select. So now you can see how it is displaying here. You can click this, you can see. So this is one-time charge, you are charging $10. Okay. Next one is quarter one, quarter two, quarter three, quarter four. So by default, it is taking per year, sir. Okay. By default, it is like taking year. Okay. For example, customer wants service for 24 months. So tell me now, how many quarters will come? If I click calculate. By default, it is taking per year, sir. Per year, automatically it is taking.
8,
So you can see now 8 quarters.
8.
Right, sir? Like this. So you can see this is one-time charge only, $10. So remaining for every quarter, how much we need to pay, sir? $30. Okay. For example, customer is like using regular customer, so you want to give some discount. You can give discount also. For example, you can see this additional discount, right? For example, quarter 5 onwards, I want to give 10% discount. Like this. You can do something, whatever you want. Right? Like this, you can give. Click on save. Now tell me, any guess how many code products we create now? If I click save now, how many code products we create? One code product or 8 code product?
Should be one, I think.
One. How you can do all this pricing in one code product, sir? So it will be 8, not 8, 9 actually, including this one time. You will see the total 8 code products, 9 code products. If you go to the code, you go to the relative list. See, so we have now 9 here. Okay, this is one time fee. If you open a second one, so this will start from first quarter, sir. Example, you can see date also somewhere here. So when's the start date this one? April 14 to?
July.
Oh.
Ju-
So similarly, if you open second one, any guess? July
August, July to
something. July to
October. Okay.
October. Like this. So like this is going to create a multi-code product. So this is nothing but a multi-dimensional code. Okay. We can configure product like that. Some customers wants to buy a service like this, quarter wise, monthly wise, yearly wise. So then we can create a step of MDQ products. Understand, sir? Arthamainda? Any questions? Hello? Samir, you understood what I'm saying? What is MDQ or any questions?
Yes, sir. No question.
Okay. So that is also one important thing. Okay. So can you tell me now, can I create one more dimension like a monthly now for the same product? Already I have configured quarterly service. Can we
Yes.
configure monthly again for the same product?
Yes, we can.
No. You can configure either any one of these. You cannot use like a multiple thing. If I choose the example monthly, click save. What is the error message?
Okay. You can't
You cannot have multiple dimensions.
Sir. Either you can use only one, either month wise you can go or quarter wise or year wise. Okay. But if you give two options here, how it will look like in the cart? Difficult, right? Either it will go for month or quarter. It is difficult. It will not understand which one is needs to use. Understand?
Okay.
Yes.
Understood.
So that's why we have to use only one type. Either anything you can use year wise or month wise, quarter wise, based on that. Okay. So this is one topic. So that is called multi-dimensional code, sir. Okay. So next one we'll discuss something called option constraints. Where is option constraints, sir? Where we can see options? మనకు ఆప్షన్స్ ఎక్కడ ఉంటాయి నార్మల్గా?
Product related list.
Which product?
Bundle product.
Correct. So normally we can see options inside a bundle. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So this functionality also belongs to the bundle product options menu. Okay. So what is this functionality will do is okay. So for example, whenever if I'm selecting Wi-Fi router, example I'm saying. So automatically I want to enable Wi-Fi installation. Understand, sir? Otherwise, I don't want to enable this option. Understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
So when I'm selecting the Wi-Fi router, then only I want to enable which one, sir? Wi-Fi installation. Otherwise, I don't want to enable. Okay. Other one example, if I'm selecting US keyboard, okay. So automatically I want to exclude UK keyboard. Understand, sir, what I'm saying? Exclude
Yes.
ante you can use only either anyone. If you're selecting US UK, it is not good actually. Okay. So this type of things, how we can achieve is we can use using option constraint rules in the bundle product domain. So for example, we'll go to the any one bundle product now. For example, we have Wi-Fi package, right? I'll go to the Wi-Fi package. So go to the related list. Wi-Fi package. This is not a product, allowed always. Related list option. So now what is my requirement, sir? So whenever I'm selecting Wi-Fi router,
Wi-Fi router. 9th one.
then only I want to enable which one? Wi-Fi installation. Okay,
Wi-Fi
this is our
installation.
requirement, madam. Okay. So I think by default I've selected this option. I'll remove the checkbox. Select the checkbox. It is not required in this case. So to do this, go to the Wi-Fi package, go to the related list. So can you see option constraints here, sir? Right?
Yes.
Click new button. What the name? Wi-Fi router enables Wi-Fi installation.
Installation.
Okay. Should be active, this one, otherwise it will not work. So this is like a controlling field and a dependent field, sir. So normally in Salesforce we have something called pick list, right? Controlling
Yes.
field, dependent field. So based on the country, we can display state. Yes or no? Normal.
Yes.
So similar here also, based on which option you want to enable this one. Based on
Wi-Fi
which?
router.
Wi-Fi router. So what is the option number for Wi-Fi router? Go to the package. So this is the Wi-Fi router. Controlling option. Okay. Wi-Fi installation is a constraining option. Constrained, constraining. So, okay, controlling, dependent, like that. We have constrained, constraining. Okay. So this is dependency. Yes or no? Based on this only, I want to show this one. So that's why we have to choose a dependency. Okay. That's it. So remaining not clear, click a save. So now we can just test this functionality. Go to the codes. I'll take any other existing code here. Okay. So which products are
Wi-Fi route.
Wi-Fi package, right?
Wi-Fi package.
Uh, so Wi-Fi router is what happens sir now? So it is I have like written opposite way actually. Okay. So constraining ante controlling field madam. Constrain ante dependent. Understand? అర్థమవుతుందా? So here, what is the meaning of this? Constraining ante controlling. Constrain ante dependent. So here constraining what I have chosen is Wi-Fi installation. అందుకని it is working like this. So now you see it is disabled, right? If I enable this one, now only it will enable. Understand? Can you see the message also? అర్థమైందా మేడం? Any confusion? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Understand or any confusion? So actually I have written some opposite way this actually. Okay.
Okay, okay.
I'll do one thing. Okay. So this is I think you cannot change after you enable this. So this is actually constraining means controlling field, madam. Okay. So here
Okay.
controlling field, what I have selected is Wi-Fi installation. Whenever I'm setting Wi-Fi installation, then only Wi-Fi router will be enabled.
Okay.
Can we change this? Why we cannot change this?
Something maybe field or security, something is there, I think. Say that option in the bundle that you want to apply this constraint. Maybe what we can, you have to delete and we have to configure again. So if you want to do this, you can delete it, existing one. You can configure this one. Understand?
Yes, sir.
So this is like what, madam? Dependent. So if you enable Wi-Fi, if you select Wi-Fi installation, then only Wi-Fi router will be selected. Controlling dependent. Understand?
Yes, sir.
So now what we can do is we can choose other options, madam. Yeah. For example, we can take these two examples. Whenever I'm selecting Wi-Fi cable 10 meter, I want to disable this one. Understand?
Okay. Now we can select the exclude, I think.
Correct. So I'll make this one duplicate. So detail list. Click new one. Wi-Fi 10 meter excludes Wi-Fi 5 meter. Okay, man. Just sorry. So first we'll select the here constraining and the controlling field. So you can use anything. Anything is fine here because if you select one, automatically other will be deselected. Understand, madam? Here
Yes.
something called there is no controlling and dependent. So in this case, both are controlling, both are dependent. Okay. So 010. It will work vice versa. Both are places. It will work in two places now. Okay. Instead of dependency, I'll choose the exclusion now. Click on save. Okay. Now go to this code. Refresh the page. Okay, add products. Which one, madam? Wi-Fi package, right? Select this one. Click this. So now if you see automatically it is deselected. Why?
Yes, because we do exclude, right?
Yeah, because Wi-Fi cable is enabled,
Mm.
automatically it is
Mm.
disabled. If you disable this one, it will enable both. If you enable this one, what will happen? It will disable this one.
Okay. Why
It will
vice
work
versa
vice
also
versa.
works.
In this case, ఏమవుతుందంటే మేడం both are controlling, both are dependent.
Okay.
Understood, no? So if you go mouse over, automatically it will show Wi-Fi cable 5 meter excludes. If you choose this one, it will display like this. Understand? అర్థమవుతుందా మేడం?
Yes.
So if you see, there is one more field actually there called something called option constraint group. Okay. What is this field will do is this is nothing but a just normal text medium. Okay. For example, my requirement ఏంటంటే, so now if I'm selecting uh, this one is what? Wi-Fi 10 cable. I want to exclude both options, madam, like Wi-Fi custom cable and 5 meter cable. Both I want to exclude, right? So in this
Okay,
case,
like
what
it
I
be more
hmm,
than one.
hmm. So Wi-Fi cable excludes. And you can give some name example. Wi-Fi cable excludes. So whatever the name you are giving right here, so you have to use the same name.
Okay.
So we have to create one more option constraints. Okay. So in this case, what I can do, this is I think 101 and 10 minute, 5 meter, right?
Five.
Now I want to disable this one also. Oh, so now what will happen is, okay, so both option constraints, madam. Okay, one is this one, Wi-Fi 10 meter excludes Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi 10 meter excludes Wi-Fi custom. Okay, in the both the cases, what is happening, madam? So
Both excludes.
both
Both
excludes,
it will be hide.
correct. Okay, so that's
Disable.
if you want to work like this, we have to use a we have to give some common name here, like this Wi-Fi cable. Both the rules. If I click save, now we'll see how it will work. Refresh the page. Any case, what will happen now? ఏమవుతుంది అనుకుంటారు మేడం ఎగ్జాంపుల్?
Two things will be disabled.
Correct. If I select Wi-Fi cable, automatically other two things should be disabled,
Hmm.
right?
Yes.
For example, you can select this one, but in this case it is not working because this is other way of saying.
Because here we already given right one thing for exclude option also we given right 10 meter, 5 meter.
Correct. So
That is the
actually,
reason it is working.
so this is actually main field actually. So that's why
Hmm.
both the cases. Now, if I'm enabling this one, so this is controlling, madam, in the both the cases, correct? So that's why both will be excluded here. Understand?
Yes, sir.
So this is option constraints. Generally, we can create in a bundle level, madam. Okay, based on like option selection, you can include or exclude other option. That is called option constraints. Understand? Understand, madam?
Yes.
Okay. So that is the one thing, which is also important. So now we have something called guided selling. Any idea what is guided selling, madam? Any idea what is guided selling? Okay. So for example, madam, I'll give an example. You are going to the Big C mobile shop or something like Bajaj Electronics. So what will happen when if you go to the Bajaj Electronics? So you want to purchase laptop. Okay. So what will happen? So if you go Bajaj showroom, if you want to purchase laptop, okay, example. So there is not only one company, there are so many companies in the laptop, right? Like
Yes.
something called Samsung,
Lenovo, Dell, as
Lenovo,
well.
Dell, etc., etc. Right? So each laptop will have their own configuration. Example, some laptops will have a 4 GB RAM, 6 GB RAM, 8 GB RAM, etc., etc. And some colors also different, right? Blue, white, okay, anything white, orange. We don't have any orange color laptop, just black, example. See, for example, I am customer, madam. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll directly go to the Bajaj Electronics. I'll ask person to, sir, I want Samsung phone, sorry, Samsung laptop, 8 GB RAM and black. So if so he's asking questions, if I'm giving answers. So what will happen? See, he will show only that laptop only. Yes or no?
Yes.
Otherwise, what will happen? You have to check all the laptops in the showroom. How much time it will take?
Okay.
So we have to ask customer. First, what is the first question? Which laptop you are looking for? Samsung. Okay. Like how much RAM you are expecting? 8 GB. So which color you will prefer? Black. So based on these answers, if I click submit, I want to show only that products only in the cart. Understand?
Okay. Without delay.
Without delay. So whatever customer is expecting, so you want to show that thing only.
Okay.
So that is called guided selling. Understand, madam?
Yes, sir.
Oh. So, for example, I think we don't have any laptops like this. So we can configure to achieve this functionality. We have to follow some steps, madam. Okay. So first example in this case, if you take, do we have any laptops here? మనకు ఉన్నాయా? మనం లోడ్ చేసామా? Laptops, laptop manual, laptop package ఇలా ఉన్నాయి కానీ we don't have anything called Lenovo and all. Okay. So what we can do?
We can rename the product.
Laptop manual, laptop package, laptop standard.
No, we can rename. How rename Samsung like that.
Okay, madam. So we'll do one thing. Just we'll create first of all, we'll create this type of fields. So first of all, if you want to configure, we need these fields also, right? Example, product type, madam. Okay, or like which model you are looking for. Model. Understand? And we have something called RAM, and we have something called colors. So like this, we have to create three fields in the product. Yes or no? If fields null product, otherwise how we can identify which
Yes,
company is
yes.
that one? So I'll create this type of three fields, madam. First, go to the. Okay, I'll do one thing. Actually, I have some getting other call. So can we connect this topic tomorrow, madam? Is it fine?
Yes, sure, sure, sir. No problem.
So we'll connect tomorrow. So we'll complete this topic tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Chalo. Thanks, everyone.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
But practice